the fake account of Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Ate Dina Guillermo. At least I just said to them, they already know, they already forgiven, and I said I will never make fake account on Facebook. But usually, I already stopped. I deactivated it. I deleted all. My mom says to me, dapat tanggalin mo na yan, like I said. And I know what I said before. And I said from my mom, I deleted already. Because for me, guys, I'm just warning to Danmar Dayaw. Danmar, please deactivate that Rodelio Daguman, the Facebook page. Listen to your mom. Otherwise, if you don't listen to your mom too, you will get you in trouble. Oh, before that, I have to take a short break. Oh, I just said it before. I said to Danmar Dayaw, deactivate that fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Because right now, Ninang Bebe, Marisol Gabag, is complaining at you. She asking me, oh, who's that account of Rodelio Daguman? And she's asking me, oh, I told her, it's from Danmar. Oh, my mom asking me, who's that fake account of Dragon Inclusion Philippines? Oh, the fake account, it was from Danmar Dayaw. Oh, Danmar, you have to listen to me. Oh, makinig ka sa akin, like I said, face to face. Deactivate that Rodelio Daguman in Facebook page. I'm not accusing you, Danmar. I am just warning you to deactivate that Facebook page, Rodelio Daguman, or else you will get you in trouble. Oh, do you want to be get you in trouble? I asked Danmar Dayaw. Oh, I don't want to get you in trouble. Look at just like I said before, I talked to I just said to teacher Alex and Ate Dina Guillermo, I deactivated it, that fake account. Oh, and when I said it before, tinigilan ko na sila. Like I said, I learned how to leave them alone. Danmar Dayaw, I say to you, deactivate that fake account of Rodelio Daguman and stop bashing at Cedric. Cedric is claiming you, ikaw pa lang gumawa ng fake account ng Rodelio Daguman Facebook page. O, di naman yan si Rodelio. O, I just seen there, sino ba sinisira ni Rodelio Daguman? Si Cedric. O, if I were you, Danmar Dayaw, stop creating a fake account. Even the Silan brothers. Oh, I was complaining by the Silan brothers. They asked me, kilala mo ba yan si Danmar Dayaw? And I asked Angelo Silan. I said to him, oo, kilala ko yan. Oh. I never argue the Silan brothers. Oh, I just want to make sure that they are not doing anything. Oh, I just want to respect to you, Danmar. Stop creating a fake account. Oh, I make a public apology to Ate Dina Guillermo. I told her I deactivated it, that fake account. Oh, even teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, my mom said to me, and she said to me, tanggalin mo na, like I said. Oh, at least, what she's saying to me, sinanggal ko na. Oh, that's what I learned, those words that I said. When you deactivate the Facebook, tanggalin mo na, like I said. Oh, and I understand. Oh, Danmar, you have to understand with your mother. You have to understand with your mom. I messaged your mom and I said to you, oh, you tell Danmar Dayaw, deactivate that Facebook page of Rodelio Daguman. Oh, if Danmar Dayaw will never get sued from Rodelio Daguman, I don't want to bring Danmar Dayaw in the jail. Oh, that will be happen to you, Danmar. Oh, you cannot watch TVJ there. There's no TV in jail. Oh, you cannot eat food. Nothing food there. Oh, you cannot drink Milo or water. Oh, there's a canal. Oh, I know. I say to Danmar, I don't want to get you in jail. Like me, like I was told by Mr. Dennis Gill, I going to be a inquest proceeding in Camp Karingal. Oh, in what is that? In Quezon City Police District. Oh, and I don't want to be happen to myself. I apologize to Mr. Dennis Gill. I talked to Mr. Dennis Gill, that Dragon Inclusion Philippines, and that one who hacked Facebook account of David Gill. It was Dan Mardayaw. It's not the fault. It's not the fault of David Gill. I asked my mom, it's not David Gill's fault. Oh, I try to defend my former friend David Gill. Oh, I said it. Wala po yung kasalanan si David Gill. Oh, ang kasalanan lang po si Danmar. I just want to request to Danmar Dayaw, deactivate the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. You will get you in trouble, Danmar Dayaw. If you get you in trouble, you will be in prison. You want to be like that, Danmar? Oh, me, I don't want to get in prison too, Danmar. When I delete all the fake account of Teacher Alex, Ate Dina, I apologize to them already, sincerely. Oh, like me, I deactivate the fake account of Teacher May when I criticize her. I deactivated it. Oh, I apologize to Teacher May. I chat with Jardino. Oh, it will never be happen. I say to you, Danmar, it will never be happen to you. Oh, at least if Ate Mel Canete and even Ate Nenet Manalo is watching my YouTube video, oh, I say again, Danmar, deactivate the fake account of Rodelio Daguman and stop creating fake account of Rodelio. Have mercy to that person and a cerebral palsy. Wala ka bang awa? I say to you, Danmar, piniya mo na si Roylan, pinaya mo si Carlos o Kanahashi. Wag ganon, like I said to you, Danmar. You know, for me, unlike what I'm saying, oh, just don't do that again, Danmar. Oh, I am telling you, don't do that again. Just like I said before, Ate Dina Guillermo, oh, and Teacher Alex, I deactivate their fake account. Oh, what I did to them, I harassed them. Oh, you, Danmar, why did you harass Rodelio Daguman? Oh, Danmar Dayaw, why did you harass Kuya Rodelio, that he doesn't do anything and he never talk about politics. Oh, and he talk about political affiliation that that Rodelio Daguman is uh, that's saying that he's a pro Duterte or if he's anti Marcos. What's his own political affiliation? He has his own opinion. Danmar. Opinion niya yun, like I said, it's just like, for example, opinion. I mean, I never do that to Teacher Kel. Oh, when I apologized to Teacher Kel, I said to her, I'm the one. I apologize to her that I voted Bongbong Marcos. Oh, I got scammed by Bongbong Marcos. I explained to Eskel Penumbra. Oh, Eskel Penumbra realized you should never endorse Bongbong Marcos. He's really bangag. Oh, at least he understand. Eh, yo, Danmar, if you understand everyone, kung intindihan mo lang, like I said before, when you talk about misunderstanding, oh, just like I said before, Danmar Dayaw, deactivate that Rodelio Daguman. Stop creating fake account of Rodelio. Magagalit si Rodelio. If Rodelio Daguman sue against you, Danmar, he will bring it to barangay in Pasay City. Oh, there's a Muntinlupa. Oh, it's far from Pasay. Oh, you should not do that again, Danmar. Understand to your own friends. Oh, when Tero Francisco says to you, Danmar, stop creating fake account. Oh, of Rodelio Daguman. Like me, oh, when I was told by Teacher Vincent Ramos, he said to me, you need to stop creating fake account because that is a cyberbullying. Nakakainis na, oh, that's why. I already stopped, oh. When Teacher Vincent said to me, don't edit my picture, oh, I already stopped. Oh, when I was told by Teacher Gio Malana, I learned how to stop that I attacking him. Oh, I already stopped creating fake account of Teacher Gio Malana way back 2024. What did I do? I just stopped. Oh, I said that I apologize to Teacher Gio Malana. It will never be happen again. Oh, Danmar Dayaw, I am just suggesting to you, deactivate the fake account of of Rodelio Daguman. Move on from him. I know your enemies is Angelo Silan. Oh, that's your own enemy. Oh, me, I never argue with Angelo Silan. Oh, I let him be. Oh, I've defeated Angelo Silan. If he's my arch enemy, I asked Danmar. Oh, I know. I defeated Angelo Silan. I defeated Paulo Cruzada. Oh, Danmar, I'm requesting to you, deactivate that Facebook page of Rodelio Daguman and stop bashing at Cedric. Cedric is a good blogger. Same as Yumi, same as Ninong Michael. Oh, same as Kuya Jojo. Oh, at least Nanay Ningning is not really a blogger too. Oh, I say again, Danmar Dayaw, I want to repeat it to you in my YouTube blog. Deactivate the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. That is a cybercrime, Danmar. At least you don't know Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Oh, you don't know what is that words of cybercrime. Oh, and cyberbullying. Oh, that's why Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan was right. Oh, cyberbullying is misunderstanding. And I suggest to Danmar Dayaw, I want to tell him to deactivate of Rodelio Daguman. And thank God, I apologize, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I said to her, I deleted all the fake account, even Ate Dina as well. Oh, it's all you free. I said it. I apologize for all I made a mistake. Oh, Ate Dina and Teacher Alex, if you're watching this, oh, in my YouTube blog, I will never do that again. Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize for everything. I'm the one who created this. I'm the one who created the chaos. Do not blame anybody. I just want to tell it is my fault. Oh, that's all. Eh, what about you, Danmar? O, if you say to you, Danmar Dayaw, o, like I said, ako po ang may kasalanan to. O, that's like what I said to Danmar. O, Danmar said, ako po ang may gagagawan to ng gumawa ng fake account ng Rodelio Daguman ng Facebook page. Ako po may kasalanan. O, what does Danmar says? O, he allegedly. O, and then I say to Danmar, deactivated it. Oh, I'm urging you, Danmar Dayaw, deactivate the Facebook page of Rodelio Daguman. Make Rodelio Daguman, let him be. Fine, let's say, for example, oh, if you are Marcos loyalist, Danmar, if if Kuya Rodelio Daguman is a DDS, oh, and anti-Marcos, oh, would you ever to fight to Rodelio Daguman and creating a troll? That's not good. Me, when I create a troll, I attack Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alex. I know I know they are Marcos loyalists, and I know they are anti-Duterte. Oh, I know. I apologize, Teacher Alex and Ate Dina Guillermo. I didn't realize that they are anti-Marcos. Oh, that they are pro-Duterte. Oh, just like what I said before. And I just want to tell to Danmar Dayaw, deactivate that fake account of Rodelio Daguman. You're harassing him in the first place. You bully him in the first place. I say to Danmar, oh, Danmar, we are special. Unlike our arch enemy Paulo Cruzada and Angelo Silan, they are actually abnormal. Oh, like us, we are special. We are autism. As we are gift of God, as we are gift of Allah, I say again, Danmar, can we just stop creating fake account of Rodelio Daguman? Huwag mo kasi pagtripan si Rodelio, like I said, you know, I say again, Danmar, puro kasi pinagtripan, that's a word. Oh, you need to stop this. Like me, when I do that to Teacher Alex and Ate Dina, what did I do? Oh, I made my consequence. I made my mistake. I make everything, all I made a mistake when I upload it in my YouTube video. I said to my mom and dad, I will not reveal it, but I will reveal it in my YouTube video. Oh, I will reveal that is my fault too. Oh, when I asked J. Rick Silva, J. Rick, wag mo na lang kasi awahin si Ate Dina. Like I said, yaan mo na lang, let her be. Eh, naaawa ako sa kanya. Oh, if I said to him, pabayaan mo na lang siya, leave her alone. Oh, that's better. If I were you, Danmar, pabayaan mo na si Rodelio. Tantanan mo na siya, tigilan mo na siya, that's the word. You know, Danmar, it's really competitive. However, if we fight anyone, don't bully Rodelio. Just respect him.